In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on Agoda. So whether you're planning a quick getaway or a long-haul adventure, this process is straightforward and convenient, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's get started by heading over to Agoda's website. Once you're there, you'll notice that the site offers a range of travel services, but today we're focusing on booking flights. So look for the Flights section and click on it to begin. Now that you're in the flight section, it's time to choose the type of trip you're interested in. Agoda provides options for both one-way flights and round-trip tickets. Think about your travel needs and select the option that best fits your plan. Next up, you'll need to enter your destination details. This is where you'll input your departure and arrival locations. Make sure you type in the correct airport names or city codes to avoid any confusion. Checking these details is crucial as it sets the foundation for your travel itinerary. Once you've entered your destinations, the following step is selecting your travel dates. Use the calendar tool to pick the departure and, if applicable, return dates that align with your schedule. Be mindful of timing, as selecting off-peak travel days often results in better pricing and seat availability. With that done, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Search Flights button. This will prompt Agoda to display a list of available flight options tailored to the details you've just entered. In just a few moments, you'll see a comprehensive list of flights. Agoda will show you diverse options regarding airlines, timings, number of stops, durations, and prices, allowing you to thoroughly compare which flights suit your preferences best. Make use of the filters available to narrow down the options according to your budget or preferred airline. Once you've reviewed your choices, it's time to select a flight. Consider the flight timings, the number of stops, and of course, the cost. Pick the option that aligns well with both your budget and your travel convenience. After selecting a flight, you'll need to enter passenger and contact information. Make sure your details match your official ID to avoid any issues at the airport. Also, ensure that your contact details, such as your phone number and email, are accurate to receive important travel updates. Finally, proceed to the payment section. Agoda offers several secure payment options for your convenience. Choose your preferred method and fill in the necessary details to complete your booking. Double check everything before finalizing your payment to ensure all information is accurate. And that wraps it up. You've successfully booked your flight on Agoda. Make sure to save your confirmation email and any other travel documents for your records. Now you can look forward to your upcoming journey with peace of mind, knowing your travel arrangements are set. Safe travels!